Hey everybody, how's it going? It's the Daily Shooter, and I recently posted a video that I've already had to delete. And I deleted it because at the time I didn't have all of the information, but I was really excited because there was a huge ruling for the Second Amendment here in California, and I wanted to get this video up. So in the video, I let people know that I was confused about a certain thing, and if they knew the right information to leave it in the comment box. And you know, there were some very smart people that watched the video. They left links and very important information in the comment section, so I was able to follow some of those leads, read some more articles, and also I downloaded the actual court documents on PDF. I read those, and I feel a lot more informed in order to make a better video now for you guys. So this is my update video, I guess you could say. So here's basically what happened. A federal judge found that the California 10-day waiting period is unconstitutional, which is a huge win for California because the 10-day waiting period for me was one of the biggest problems. You would go in to purchase a firearm, you would pay for that firearm. Some people would allow you to put money down, but you pay for that firearm and you couldn't come pick it up for 10 days, and it had to be exactly 10 days. If you bought it at noon, you couldn't pick it up till 12:01 after the 10th day. So that was deemed unconstitutional, and trust me, being a Second Amendment supporter here in California, I was jumping up and down. What I was confused on is who it applies to, because it doesn't apply to everybody, which I find kind of strange, but nevertheless, it doesn't apply to everybody. So some people are still going to have to go through that 10-day waiting period. The people that are going to have to go through the 10-day waiting period are people that are not in the system yet. Okay, so if you haven't purchased a firearm in the state of California and gone through the background check, or have a registered firearm that was already purchased previously here in the state of California, okay, so basically you're 18 or you're 21 and you're going to purchase your first firearm, this is the first one you own and that you're going to buy here in the state, you're going to have to go through that 10-day waiting period still. You're going to have to pass your background check, and you're going to have to go through all the standard DROS process and everything else. If, let's say for instance, you bought a pistol about 2 months ago and you are already in the system, you are just going to have to go through the background check now. Once you pass the background check, and you know, take care of your DROS, the dealer can release the firearm to you and you can go home with it the same day. There is a 180-day stay, however, on this court order, and that's to give the California Department of Justice time to make any necessary changes, or if Kamala Harris decides to, she can even appeal the court's decision. Now, being that she is completely anti-gun and hates guns in this state, more than likely she's going to appeal. But if she doesn't, the Department of Justice has 180 days in order to make the necessary changes. So, I wanted to let you guys know this video, thank everybody that left a comment on the previous video, and just know, we're moving forward. This is a big win for us here in the state of California, and there's more wins on the way. Okay, the Peruta case in Orange County, that was a big one, and now you have this case here, which applies to the entire state of California's 10-day waiting period. And here we are making small progress, one step at a time, win by win by win. So if you have already purchased a registered firearm here in the state of California, no more 10-day waiting period. That's basically what it boils down to. I will put a link to the Department of Justice where you guys can download the documents for yourself if you'd like to. And thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any further information, though, that I didn't discuss, even though I tried to keep it as small as possible, if you have any further information that I didn't discuss here and you'd like to leave it in the comments box, leave extra links that people can check out. I want this to be a forum where people can find out as much information about this as possible. So thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and you guys have a great day.